Hello and welcome to my channel. I walked this park in Russia and I just wanted to show you. It was unexpected for me. I found this kinda castle, but it's kinda weird, and I wanted to show you this place. I don't know if it's good or bad. Looks kinda weird. Is it a castle? Is it something? I don't know. It looks like something medieval, but I don't have words. What is this? Some graffitis. So I'm in Russia, in Moscow. And here is the Terminator. I'll be back. Good old Arnie. So, what do you guys think of this place? People mentioned in the comments that in Russia they don't have graffitis, but here it is. Maybe here is some artistic quarter and they are allowed to make their tags graffitis here. This place is something else, guys. I never saw something like this. I kinda like it, but at the same time it looks so messy. And I'm not talking about Lionel Messi. Is it supposed to be like a Disney or something? But there are almost no people here. Wow, look at this. They decorated tree with some bells. Here is the house for birds and food for birds. And just look at this. I don't really know what to say about this place. Let me know your thoughts. It would be really interesting to read your comments. Let's make a contest. Who's gonna give the most creative, most unique, most funny description for this place? I will read all of your comments, all of your ideas, and decide which description is the most funny and unique and interesting. It's like everything you can imagine in one place. It's like some weird dream you have when you got a temperature. And here is the ground. Everything is destroyed. I can't believe this place is real. It's like the most surreal place I've ever been to. Just take a look at this. I saw this place on photos and it looked like some very like folk place, something interesting, but right now I have no words to describe it. Here it is, some market or something. I like these towers in Russian style, but everything else is interesting. I like these heads of the towers. They look unique, but here it is. Some pavilions to sell stuff, but there is nobody here. And I don't know. Oh my god. It's like the most bizarre place I've ever been to. Oh man, I have no words. Oh, I can walk here. Look, here is the bridge. I didn't bring my stabilizer to make it video not shaky, so I'll hold it with my hands, and it's freezing cold and my fingers are frozen so bad it's hard to hold it while filming. Yeah, let me zoom in. There are bears out of the wood, carved out of wood, and some pictures, paintings. So Russia really surprised me this time. So let's try to go inside of here. I don't know, this place is abandoned or something. Oh, I almost fell. Here I am on the roof. What? I have no idea what is this place intended to be, how it should have looked like, but But right now it looks like you have a very, very weird dream. And you're like, what happened? Let me know in the comments. Tell me about your weirdest dream you had. Because all of us sometimes have such dreams where look at this. It's like the most random picture. Even AI cannot do such absurdity. Here are these bears carved out of wood. Oh guys.
Так, молодой человек, шапку берите, пожалуйста. Мадам, мне кашу белка.
Here are the Russian dolls.
Вот так, свое место вот туда. Он сам нарисовал.
I am kinda uncomfortable here, so I'm afraid to talk. I don't feel safe here, but I don't know why they just sell this stuff. But because of the absurdity, I feel like very uncomfortable here. Looks like everybody took all their stuff they have in home and just bring it here and sell it.
Здравствуйте, пожалуйста.
Look at this. Here's the Russian dolls. Every other one goes inside this big one. And you can put all of these dolls inside one. Oh, whoosh. What a journey I have. Wow. Oh, let me know, guys, what do you think about this place? Looks so unique, bizarre for sure, but very, very interesting. Let me show it one more time. Yeah, here is the river or lake. It's frozen, people walking there on the ice, maybe trying to fishing. Yeah. So let me know what you think about this place, and see you in another video. Bye.